In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step process on how to screen record on Windows 10 using a free OBS software. First of all, OBS is an awesome software for screen recording and by far the best screen recording software you can find for screen recording. It is open source, no ads in between, no watermarks, no recording limit, and also you can record high quality videos using this software. And you have full control of these settings along with some good features. And I am using the same exact software for a long time to record all my screen. So I will tell you how to and where you can download this software, how to set it up, and how to record your screen using this software. So let's jump over to the computer and see the step-by-step process. So here I am on my computer and this is the OBS software. This is the obsproject.com. Here you will get this OBS software. The good thing about this software is it's an open source software and it is available for both Windows, Mac operating system, and also for Linux operating system. So it doesn't matter which operating system you are using, you will be good to go. So I am using Windows operating system, so I will go and click on the Windows option. So it will download the file and I already downloaded this software on my PC, so I will not be showing this step once again. So once you downloaded this software, you will get this icon on your desktop. This is the OBS Studio. So I will double click on and open on my computer. So here you can see this is what you will get at the beginning when you open this software. You will get the black screen at the top and there are some settings options here. At first you might get confused by looking at all the settings and features this software has, but it is quite easy. Once you understand everything, it will be easy to operate. So here on the bottom left corner you will get the scenes. On the next you will get the sources. This is where you will do the screen recording and all that. And the next is the audio mixer. This is where you control all the audio, the external recording and all that. And there is a scene transition and there are some controls on the extreme right corner. So let's go ahead and add some of the sources for this for the screen recording. So just click on the plus button which will add. And if you want to capture the screen recording, then you have to select this display capture option. So don't change any settings on here. Just keep it as it is and click on OK. So this is the resolution which my screen has. This is the 1920 by 1080. If you have a 4K display also, you can select that and click on OK. So as you can see here, even if I selected the display capture, I got the black screen here and nothing. So this is where most of the people get confused. So to solve this issue, you have to do one quick setting. So just go on the taskbar and search for graphics settings on your computer. So just go for the graphics settings. And here you select the desktop app because this is not the MicroStore app, it's the desktop app. So select that. And now you go and click on the browse button. So here you have to locate the OBS. So go for the C drive and go for inside the program files and select the OBS-Studio. And here select the bin. 64-bit and here you select the OBS64 this file and click on add, and this will add the OBS Studio. And go and select the options, and by default it's selected the let Windows decide. So I will be selecting the power saving options. You can also go ahead and select the GeForce. This is my laptop has the NVIDIA graphics card and the Intel graphics card. If you are recording the high-end games, then you have to select the high performance graphics card. Right now I am doing the regular screen recording. For that I need Intel graphics is enough. So just click on power saving and I will select save. So this will do your job. Just close this window. And as you can see here, nothing has changed. Just close this OBS for now and reopen the OBS Studio. This will solve your problem. See, you can see here you got this window. Now this you can do the screen recording. Don't get confused by the multiple windows it's showing right now. So if you want a webcam view, then you can go and click on add and go to the video capture device. Video capture device is just a webcam of your PC. Just go and click on OK. As you can see, my webcam is open right now. So you can select OK and you can position according to the way you want, and you can position it wherever you want to keep position. So here is my audio channels, and also on the extreme right side, as you can see here, you can do the start recording from here. So I will click on start recording. The good thing about this software is you can also pause the recording whenever you want, and you can start recording once again. So here you can see a red symbol, and it is started recording. So I will go ahead and do some of I will go to different menus to see if it is actually recording. So these are some of the files I am opening, so just to check the recording. So as you can see, this OBS is started recording, so I will now stop record. So where you will get the file once you stop the recording, so you have to go ahead and go to the file and show recording options, and here you will get all the recordings that you did. So here is the last recording which I did, so double click on that, so it will open. As you can see here, this is the last recording which I did. So this way you can able to record using the OBS. And also there is one quick setting I would like to tell you. So go to the tools and go to the auto configuration wizard, and here you have three options to choose from. So if you're doing the streaming work, so you can go and select optimize for streaming, and if you're doing a regular recording, then you can do optimize for recording. So you will not be streaming, you are just doing the screen recording. You can select that and click on next, and here you can choose the resolution. You can select the highest resolution, that is 1920 by 1080, and click on next and apply settings. So this will record everything in full HD mode. So this is one of the great software which you can use for absolutely free. It is an open source software, that means it is free to use, and you can record high quality videos. So I did some quick step-by-step tutorial for you guys, so you can check out this. So this is the quick tutorial video of OBS for you guys, and if you want a detailed tutorial video of OBS, please let me know in the comment sections below. I'll be happy to do a detailed video for you guys if you want. So thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys on my next video.